Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got the first 8K that we're going to take a look at of 2020. It's the Sony Z8H. We've got a giant box here. It only comes in two sizes, 75 and 85 inches. So we've got the 75 here. We're going to open it up, show you guys what comes with it, and give you a first look. So we've got the TV all set up. You are definitely going to want to make sure you have at least 2 people total to set this up. It is very heavy and it can be a little awkward to carry, so make sure you keep that in mind. Otherwise, this TV, we've only been watching it for about 10 minutes here, but this really has, I think, the best picture I've ever seen. We're going to study it a little more closely for when we do our overview video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Here we are on the back of the TV, and starting from the left, you can see here there's some speaker terminals because this TV can be used as a center channel in a surround system. Then right next to that, we clearly have HDMI 2.1 on this one. It's labeled 8K and 4K at 120 Hertz, which is great to see. Moving on, we've got a cable/antenna input, and then next to that there's an Ethernet input, an optical audio output, and then RS-232C control. Now we've got a couple more HDMIs, one labeled with eARC and then just a standard HDMI. And then we've got a USB input here, and those are all going to be kind of facing downward. Now on the side on the back, we've got a remote IR input, followed by an analog video input. You will need a breakout cable for that one. And then there's a headphone jack as well. And underneath those are 2 more USB inputs and another HDMI. But it's got all the goodies. It's got the X1 Ultimate processor, you've got HDMI 2.1, you've got full array backlighting on this, which does a fantastic job from what we've seen so far. So this is truly a flagship type television. It is something that you have to see in person to be believed. I don't know if it's going to show off how great it is through YouTube, but trust me, this TV is incredible. So make sure you stay tuned for our upcoming overview video, and we'll go over more of the features, get a little more in depth with it. As always, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one.